Let's dive into division.
The Super Math Stars. If you're having fun learning with us, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure.
Alrighty, let's start dividing 68 by 2. We bring in the 6 to start. Our first step. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It fits 3 times. Let's check. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now we subtract 6 from 6, which leaves us with 0. Now remainder here. Awesome, Dub. You're doing fantastic. We've finished with the first divot. Time to move to the next. Next up, we bring in the it to din or remainder. We bring in the it to make, or new number, it. How many times does 2 get into it? It gets in 4 times. Let's check our work. 4 times 2 equals. Subtracting it from it gives us 0. We have no remainder. You nailed it. That's the spirit. And that's the end of our division. We've successfully divided 68 by 2.
Says 68 divided by 2 is 34. We did it. We successfully divided 68 by 2 using long division. Remember, every long division problem is just a series of smaller, manageable steps. Keep practicing and you'll be a division whiz in no time. That's all for today, Math Explorers. Keep shunning and exploring the amazing world of numbers. See you in the next video.